Here's a copy-paste related problem inside Yahoo Mail. I want to copy this web address, select it, right-click on it and copy. Okay, and when I compose a mail, paste in that web address, paste. I'm not getting the web address itself, but the title of that playlist and the thumbnail of that playlist. So how to get the web address, that http www.youtube.com style text instead of this title and thumbnail? Well, delete everything and go to start menu, type in Notepad, start Notepad, click on it, paste in the web address that you copied and copy it once again. So select it, copy it, and now if you paste from Notepad into Yahoo Mail, paste. Now it's not showing the title, it's not going to that web address and it's not interpreting the contents, and it's not showing the thumbnail either. It's showing the YouTube video playlist with http and www.youtube.com.